Struggling with Google Ads? You're not alone. Most campaigns fail because they're set up wrong from the start. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Google Ads campaign that actually converts step by step with proven strategies we use for our clients daily. Understand your goal. What do you want? Sales leads, traffic, or brand awareness? Choose the right campaign type. Search, display, video, performance. Max. Pro tip. For beginners, go with search campaign if your goal is conversions. Campaign setup, go to Google Ads. New campaign. Select goal, leads, sales. Choose campaign. Type, search enter business website. Set budget, Rs 500, Rs 2000, day for starters. Location targeting, be specific. Language, English, or as per target market. Bidding strategy, use, maximize conversions. Add extensions, add site links, call outs, call extensions, create winning ad copy, use strong keywords and headlines. Headline, example, need legal help, get free consultation today. Description example, expert lawyers available 24/7. Book your free consultation now. Use emotional triggers plus urgency. Keyword targeting and negative keywords. Use Google Keyword Planner. Focus on high intent keywords. Always add negative keywords to avoid wasted spend. Example, add free, cheap, job as negative if you're selling a premium service test. Track, optimize. Use conversion tracking via Google Tag Manager or code install. Monitor performance weekly. Kill low-performing keywords and increase budget on top performers. That's it. Your Google Ads campaign is ready to convert. Like, share, and subscribe for more digital marketing strategies that actually work. Comment below if you want a free audit of your campaign.